Good morning, my dear children. Today we discuss about electroplating. Children, have you ever seen bridge ornaments and decoration items? In many applications, there is a need of metallic coating. Your new bicycle has shiny. However, if it undergo accidental scratch, can see a dull scratches behind a shiny surface. Another example, girls and women using ornaments. First, which appear to made of gold. However, after some days, the coating goes of exposing the actual metal. There are many such applications where you can coating one metal over the other. These applications of making coating one metal over the other is called the electroplating. Children, it learn about the following activity. Children, are you ready? Aim is coating a safety pin with copper by electroplating method. Electroplating is possible through electrolysis. Required material: copper plate, safety pins, beaker, water, connecting copper wires, battery, straw and tape. Measure 5 centimeters from one end of a straw and make a mark with sketch pen. Cut the straw with the help of scissor. Pinch the straw and tape it. This straw piece will measure approximately 4.3. Approximately 30 ml of water in a small plastic container and add 1 measuring cup of copper sulfide to it. Make sure that copper sulfide powder had dissolved completely. Take 2 insulated wires of length 30 centimeters each and remove 2 centimeters of insulation from both sides. See here, children, on each wire using scissor. Take tape also. Connect one end of the first wire to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the end of second wire to the negative terminal. Secure the connection safe. Copper strips connected the free end of positive terminal wire to the copper strips and negative terminal to the safety pins. Place the safety pins and copper strip in the container contains copper sulfate solution in such a way that the upper portion of the safety pins and copper strips are exposed to the air, it not submerged fully. So tape along the inner walls of the container. Leave 50 to 20 minutes so that electroplating reaction can take place. After the electroplating process, take out copper strips and safety pin. After the electroplating process, take out copper strips and safety pins. Observe the copper sulfate on the safety pins. Children, what is the color due to safety pin? Why does copper get deposited on the safety pin? Yes, when electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, in which the copper sulfate is present in the form of copper and sulfate ions. The free copper ions are drawn to the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery and deposited on it. So, this process is called electroplating. One metal is coated with another material. So, what is the uses of electroplating? Yes, children. Electroplating is widely used in industry for coating metals objects with the thin layer of different metals. Yes, missionary pots are often chromium plated to protect them from corrosion and at the same time to give them good polish. Electroplating is also used in ornaments and decoration items. For example, several articles made of copper, such as tablewares, decoration pieces, are coated with silver or gold. Generally in kitchen room, food items are preserved in tin coated iron cans. Tin is less reactive to the food than iron. So the cans are made by electroplating tin on iron. Children, you already know about reactivity. So when iron is coated with zinc metal, iron becomes more resistive to corrosion and formation of rust. So zinc coated iron is used for bridges and in automobiles.